Let's talk about frequency as musical notes. Now, sound is just vibration of air. And if you got a bigger vibration, more energy, you get a louder sound, higher amplitude. But you can also change how quickly they jiggle at. Like sometimes it's sort of a slow wave, sometimes it's a faster wave. Remember that the frequency is measured in hertz or cycles per second, little vibrations per second, how many times it goes back and forth per second. We can perceive how quickly it's vibrating back and forth as well. We perceive frequency as pitch. So higher notes are vibrating faster, lower notes are vibrating slower, though they can still have, you can have a low note with a lot of energy and a high note with a little bit. Frequency doesn't affect the loudness. Anyway, so we've got all these, we know that we perceive frequency as pitch, and here are frequencies used in the keyboard instrument by default. It gives 4 seemingly random numbers, 262, 294, 330, and 349. If you happen to go Google frequencies of notes, you will likely end up on this page or something similar. And notice there are a whole whack of different frequencies for specific notes. And why don't we start off at middle C? So the first number was 262, and looks like it's middle C. And the next number was 294 in our code. That looks like D. And the next number was 330, which looks like E. And then the last number was 349, which is F. So those weren't random numbers, they're specific frequencies of notes. So one great addition, if you were interested, you could add as many notes as you can fit buttons on your Arduino and your board, and you can just keep adding to that array and add different frequencies that correspond to notes. The next logical one to add would be a G note. With a G note, you could play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Very, very exciting. So you could just put in 392. And you can keep adding if you want. If you need a sharp for something, you can do that. But yeah, musical notes are specified by frequency. And it's easy to look up. That is really what I want you to take out of this. That's all I got for you. Thanks for listening.